Place your design within the group named Your Design here. This action will bring the design to the background and shadows will be added automatically. You can delete the layer named Delete This. This is entirely up to your preference. Scale and position it as you wish. You can click the checkmark icon in the top menu or press Enter to apply the scaling and placement. Your mock-up scene is ready. Now, you can output it in the format of your choice, .jpg, .png, .pdf, etc.